In this video, I will show you step by step how you can add a story to your story highlights without actually adding it up to your story. So first of all, what we can do is head over to your Instagram. Once you do this, you can then head over to your profile. And then as you'll notice, I've got a existing highlight right here, or you can create a new one, whichever is most relevant to you. Now I will click on this one, and then I want to go and add to this, which is already on my profile. So what I need to do is go to the bottom right hand corner and click on the three dots where it says more, right here. Once I click on this, I will now be able to select edit highlight. Once you are on here, as you can see, there is two of my highlights selected. Now what I want to do if I want to add one without actually adding something to my story is go to stories, and then you'll be able to cycle through any of these right here. Now what I want to do then is simply go ahead and add one. So for example, if I just add sort of this one right here, right, click on done, and then once you click on done, as you can see, the highlight has now been updated and there is a third highlight added onto my highlights list. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video helped you out, please leave a like on today's video and I will see you in the next one.